Here's how you can accept payments from debit and credit cards using your Paytm card machine. First, tap on Collect Payments. Then, enter the amount and tap on Collect. To accept the payment, the customer can either tap or insert their card. For transactions up to 5,000 rupees, no PIN is required for tap payments. If the customer inserts the card, ask them to enter the PIN to complete the payment. PIN entry is mandatory for all insert card transactions. Then tap on the Confirm button to complete the payment. Once the transaction is complete, you will see the payment successful screen. Tap Print Merchant Receipt to print the merchant charge slip. To print the customer charge slip, tap Print Customer Receipt. You can even send it via SMS to your customer by tapping on SMS Receipt. And you're all done. It's that simple with Paytm Card Machine.
Paytm karo.